Have you ever turned on a computer and marveled at how everything just works? That magic is made possible by something called the operating system, the unsung hero of your digital world. Whether you're browsing the internet, editing photos, or playing games, it's the OS that quietly makes it all happen. An operating system, OS, is a powerful software layer that manages the communication between you, your applications, and the physical hardware like the CPU, RAM, and storage. It handles complex tasks like memory allocation, task scheduling, user interfaces, and security, making sure your system remains stable and efficient. From desktop systems like Windows, macOS, and Linux to mobile OSs like Android and iOS, each operating system is designed with specific features tailored to your device. There are also different types of OSs like real-time, multi-user, and embedded systems, each serving unique roles in technology. In this video, we'll break down what an operating system is, how it works, why it's important, and the major types you should know, all explained simply for beginners. If you enjoy learning tech in an easy visual way, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated. And for the full blog post with diagrams and more examples, visit https://explore2025-05-18. What is an operating system? OS explained for beginners. Only on Explore Today blog.